Do not throw away the plastic bottles used. Learn how to make an automated plant waterer by following these simple steps. To begin, we will take a conventional syringe and remove both the needle and the dispenser, since for now, we will only need the body of the syringe. Then, with a cutter, we cut this part. Next, we will take a medium-sized bottle of soda. And with a hot welder, we will make 2 holes in the bottom of the bottle, one larger than the other, as shown on the screen. Then we will take a metal hook and screw it into the smallest hole. Then we will remove the cap from the bottle, and with the body of the syringe, we will draw a circle to the cap with a marker. We will use the welder to make a hole in the drawn circle, to then pass the body of the syringe through the hole. We will fix it well with glue. Next, we will take the needle from the syringe and bend it a little with tweezers before sticking it back to the syringe. Now we will screw the end of the cap to the bottle. We turn the bottle over, and with this we will have our homemade waterer ready. The other hole will serve to fill with water every time the supply of the bottle runs out. But don't go yet, because I will show you a second way in which you can do this in a much easier way. We will take a second bottle, and with the hot welder, we will make a hole in the bottom. We turn the bottle over and make a small hole in the cap, more or less as I show you. Next, we will take a swab, and with scissors, we will cut one of the ends. Then we go through the small hole we made in the cap, to then fix it with glue. We screw the cap. Then we will take a piece of PVC or PPR tube, and with the help of a marker, we will draw a line on the tube, which will tell us the way we should cut it. It should look more or less like this. Then we will heat the end a little to loosen it. This will allow us to attach it to the cap of the bottle without problems. With this, we will have our second homemade plant waterer ready. Thanks to this, you can water your most delicate plants directly by watering from the root. Let me know below which of these 2 methods you like the most, and which one you will do at home.